Are you ready to discover some of the most exciting, useful, and must-have car gadgets and tools that will totally upgrade your driving and DIY experience? From advanced lighting systems to powerful electric tools, today I'll show you 6 products that bring style, safety, and convenience into your everyday life. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. Car Tissue Box. This car leather tissue box is designed with a high-end feel, crafted from durable artificial leather that adds elegance to any car interior. It can be placed on the seat back, armrest box, or even hung for convenience. The sleek design blends seamlessly with luxury car interiors, making it more than just a tissue holder. It's a stylish accessory that keeps your car tidy while maintaining a premium look. Number 5. Ambient Lights. Transform your car's interior with the dual-zone 18-in-1 LED Symphony Ambient Lights. Offering 64-color RGB options, this lighting system gives you complete control of your atmosphere. With adjustable speed and brightness, you can create the perfect mood while driving. The intelligent app Bluetooth control allows easy customization, while the dual-zone mode lets you personalize different sections of your car. Even better, it comes with intelligent voice control. Just say the command, and your car's interior lights up exactly the way you want. Number 4. Car HUD Display. The WEEE G17 model head-up display projects essential car dashboard information directly into your line of sight. No more distractions looking down at your speedometer. Everything you need is projected onto your windshield. It's universal, easy to install with a simple plug-in system, and backed by CE, ROHS, and FCC certifications for reliability. With a 12-month warranty and durable ABS Plus PC build, this HUD is designed to make your drive safer and smarter. Number 3. Electric Scissors. When it comes to cutting tough materials like cardboard, leather, carpets, or fabric, these cordless electric scissors are a total game changer. Powered by a rechargeable 2000 mAh battery, they deliver strong performance with less effort than traditional scissors. The built-in automatic sharpening system ensures the blades stay sharp for smooth, precise cuts. Plus, the safety lock switch prevents accidental starts, making them safe for both left and right-handed users. If you enjoy DIY or crafting, this is a tool you'll use again and again. Number 2. Running Gloves. These LED flashlight luminous running gloves are designed for adventure, safety, and convenience. Imagine cycling, hiking, camping, or even repairing your car in low light. With these gloves, you get powerful lighting right at your fingertips. They're waterproof, fingerless, and lightweight, making them perfect for outdoor activities. With a lighting distance of up to 50 meters and 250 lumens of brightness, they are versatile enough for rescue situations or everyday use. Number 1. Electric Screwdriver. For all your home and car DIY projects, the Worx 4V WX242 Smart Cordless Electric Screwdriver is a must-have. Equipped with a brushless motor for efficiency and long life, it delivers up to 5 Nm max torque. Powerful enough to handle tough screws with ease. It comes with a 30-bit set, ensuring compatibility with nearly every screw type you'll ever encounter. The USB rechargeable handle makes it super convenient, while its compact size allows you to reach tight spaces. Whether you're fixing, assembling, or working on creative projects, this tool will save you both time and energy. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.